Welcome to another video clip of MrLopezClasses.com. This is another lab. This is the lab number 3 of our course of transmissions, marine transmissions. And today we are going to remove the outdrive in a steam drive system, the IO system, and we are going to install the outdrive in the steam drive system. We are going to remove and install the outdrive in a steam drive system. This is a nice job. In this particular example, you remember, we remove in a formula 25 fits, we remove the outdrive. Okay? And this is the process. With your instructor, I recommend remove that unit with him. Slowly follow the steps that we did in the previous episodes, the recommendations of Mr. Rodriguez and me, and remove the lower unit. Remove the outdrive for a steam drive. Okay? And when you have the outdrive outside, we are going to do the next lab. The next lab is the service. But this lab is only remove the steam drive and putting back the steam drive. Because putting back the steam drive is not easy. You need to align the system. You need to use the alignment tool. You remember that tool that we use with Mr. Rodriguez? Exactly, that tool, the alignment tool. You need to lubricate with grease the alignment tool, and after that introduce the tool and align the system. And after that is easy, introduce the shaft and introduce the lower unit completely. This is a process with your instructor in the lab. Try to do that process. This is a wonderful process. It's not complicated. I recommend try to do that system with your instructor. All right? This is the lab number 3, and in the next coming lab we are going to do the service on that unit. Enjoy that laboratory.